Hi YouTube, welcome to my kitchen today. So glad to have you. We're going to be doing something today that is special. We're going to be doing something really good, really tasty, quick, simple, and delicious. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff you want to serve your family and your friends. You don't want to be in the kitchen all day long. You want to come out looking spectacular with a dish that is spectacular, and you didn't spend all day doing it. You can take the credit and pretend like you did though, but nah, we don't want to do that. Okay, thanks guys. Come on, let's see what we're doing today. Rutabagas. Rutabagas. Let's take a look at them. These are not really particularly beautiful because, you know, with today's food shortages, you can't always find just what you want. But these are okay. I got them, and I want you to see how they look before we ever get started and do anything to them. They come with this wax on them, and all I do is just wash them. I don't try to scrub all the wax off or anything, and then I just use a potato peeler or a sharp knife, and I just peel all of that off. And once I get it peeled off, then I cut them and I dice them. So I've got these diced, and I've got my good old trusty Instant Pot here. And I want to get all of these rutabagas down this pot. These rutabagas are very hard. So instead of having to cook them a long time, it's very good to use your Instant Pot because that'll cut your cooking down to about 25 minutes. I'm going to season these with some onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, and some Mrs. Dash. I have here some kosher salt, and I'm just going to put them in. A lot of you like rutabagas, you just don't know how to cook them. I'm putting in some brown sugar, and I will have a link in the description box that will take you straight to my recipe there on my website, and it's free and printable. What I just showed you were bacon drippings. Every time I cook bacon, I just put the drippings in a mason jar, close it up. They'll keep in the refrigerator maybe 3 months or more, and you can just take them out and use them in beans or whatever you want to use them in. This has finished cooking. Do you see that steam that's coming out? Now you can't open this until you get all that steam out and depressurize this Instant Pot. This red button, it will fall down, and this whatever this little flotchy is, it'll turn up on venting. And when that's finished, it will allow you to open it. When you open it away from yourself and hold it where all that hot, super boiling water drips down into the pot. Now let's take a look at what we got. Look at these. They smell so good. That brown sugar gives it a beautiful taste. This is another vegetable to add to your rotation of vegetables. Guarantee your family will love it. Now I've potted these up and sprinkled it with a little bit of dry parsley flakes. And look at this. Look at it. It is beautiful, but it tastes even better. So I want you to look at this really good. Now you could have added some diced onions or something to it if you wanted to, but I like mine just like this. And I want that taste of brown sugar to be popping through, because this is what makes this whole dish pop. Look at that. Let me taste it. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. Very simple to make, very easy to make, but tastes oh so good. Your kids gonna like it, your family will love it. Do this. It's very easy. If you don't have an Instant Pot and you don't want to buy an Instant Pot, then you can use a regular pressure cooker, or you can even do this in a crock pot, but it'll just take much longer. Look at that. Look at that little piece of red pepper shining through. This is really, really good. I kid you not. But I loved rutabagas as a little girl because my grandma used to cook them with that wonderful, wonderful brown sugar. Ah, look at that. See how that sugar and that oil, that bacon drippings, they just are making a sheen on this rutabaga, and it has just a glistening about it. Guys, thank you. Make this for yourself. I want to thank you guys for coming by and seeing me. You checking on me. You wanted to see what I was doing. Now, you knew that I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. For those that are already subscribed to me, I thank you, thank you. And for those who are not, please hit that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell until parentheses come around the bell. That way, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to subscribe. Not only subscribe, but share my videos wherever you're active on social media. I want you to give me a thumbs up. That's really important to promoting my videos on YouTube. Leave me some comments. I read each and every one. I try to answer as many as I can. I love hearing from you. Love hearing what you're thinking. Guys, I am on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok. Meso making it over there. Come and visit me, show me some love. I appreciate you watching. There are thousands of people that you could be watching on YouTube, but you chose to spend this little bit of time with me. You don't know how much I appreciate it, and I consider myself blessed every time you come and watch any of my videos. Guys, here's what I want you to do. Promote for yourself health, healing, and wholeness. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. If you love yourself, you'll be better equipped to really love somebody else. And you might say, well, Meso, how can I show my love to other people? Well, guess what I always say? Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I come over here and try to do every single day. Share my love with you by sharing these long time, years old family recipes with you guys. I'm sharing my love, y'all. That's what I want you to do too. Share your love by sharing your food. Yes. Y'all be good, be kind. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.